Hey everyone, today I want to share with you, hopefully this will be a short and sweet video. I want to share with you this DIY insert that I made myself. So if you haven't seen, I'm starting a new traveler's notebook series on my channel, and the first video will be up or is already up on Wednesday, which is tomorrow when I'm filming this. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos. And I was, yesterday after I filmed my little haul, which you can also see on my channel, I felt very inspired to try and make a little insert by myself. So that's what I did, and I'll share with you everything, and I'll show you the insert and the tools that I used. And if you want to see a step-by-step tutorial, then like this video and leave me a comment below, and I'm happy to film that for you. Not that I'm an expert, but I have to say it was really easy, and I think the result is lovely. So I've had these two handmade inserts, like handmade not by me, but by other people. And I thought, okay, I really want to try something like this. So this is what I made yesterday. It went really fast, and I thought the small size was very or less intimidating than the big size. This is what I used. I used the We Are Memory Keepers binding tool, I think it's called. It's really easy to use. It comes with the pokey thing and two needles, a straight one and then a curved one, and some nice string. It's actually a lot of string. I already used it for I think 2 journals, and there's like a ton of it, so it's not something that will just last you for one project, which I find is nice. Yeah, so it was really easy using this, but you don't need such a tool. I grabbed it because I was curious, and I think it's a good purchase. The paper, this one is from this collection, which I also showed in that haul video. And then the inside is just like a junk journal from, let's zoom in even more so you can see it all. So I'll just do a quick flip through. I added also some of the stickers from the same artist that made the papers. Her name is Tandy Art. And it was so much fun using, you know, papers from my stash. I have piles and piles of papers, enough to make a gazillion at least such inserts. And this one I stitched in. This is an envelope. It was really fun, really easy to make, and I love it. I just have to think how I want to use it. I made sure that I included some papers that I could easily write on. So that's, to me, that's important, but other than that, I really don't know how I will use it yet, but it's definitely cute. So I hope you like this. Again, if you want to see, if you want me to do a tutorial showing you how to make one yourself, it's a simple stitched binding. So you can see that's the middle. And yeah, it was really easy to make. Thanks for watching. Bye.